Hello, today I made a 4-story house. This is the entrance to the ground floor. At the ground floor, you can see a theatre going on. It looks like a net, but creatively I made it as the whiteboard for the movie to go on. This is the projector. It projects the pictures and the movie onto the white. If I turn it around, there's a stair. If you go up the stair, you can open this door. There in front, if you imagine that you're a Lego person, you can see a kitchen. It has at least 4 cups and some more cups in the kitchen. This is the bakery where you can bake pizzas and things like bread and cut apples and things. Now, I'm going to slowly turn it around. Imagine you're a Lego person. You go up the stair and open it. It is the living room. The living room has beds and also little cups over here. If I take this out, there are stacks of cups. At night, if you're thirsty, you can come and grab 1 cup and go downstairs and dip it into the water. As you can see, there's a table. This table is for eating and doing homework. Now, you can see there's a rope, no stairs. This rope is, instead of stairs, you can just climb it, and then at the top level, there's a pool, a swimming pool, and a shower. There are 3 lying down seats, 1 lying down seat, and 2 normal seats. There are crystals. There are 7 crystals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And there's a swimming pool that could contain sea animals with a nice tree.